got in the mail from Jesse at Jesse's Garage. Check this tool. Nice sticker. So I'm going to put it right up here with some of my other ones. And thanks, Jesse. I appreciate it. If you haven't checked out his channel, be sure to do so. He does some really nice restorations. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a couple of items I picked up recently at a estate sale. This is it says Malco number 18 dividers, Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. I really like instruments like this, dividers and calipers and drawing equipment, what have you. One of the comments when I showed this from the estate sale haul commented that this can be used as a marker for scriber for like heating duct work, so forth, which it sure could. Sure looks that way. But it does say dividers on here. So I'm going to call it dividers. But you can use it for whatever you want. Got a little bit of surface rust on it. I think it'll clean up. So there's that little item. At the same sale, I picked this up for $1. I think it was 25% off that day. Anyway, this is a HUSKY folding utility knife. I have not figured out yet how to get the blade out. There's some instructions on here. I don't think they're etched on there. So I'm not going to put this, or I'm going to really try not to put this in evaporust, because I don't want to have that taken off. I don't know if the evaporust would or not, but I'm not going to risk it. There's some instructions and what have you. So I'm going to try to get this off just with some like PB Blaster or something like that. First I've got to figure out how it works, how to get the blade out. It may be rusted in there. So there we have those two items. Let's see what we can do with them. Okay, I got it apart, and now I understand how it works and why it's broken. Let's see, there's a little spring that goes in this hole right here, and that spring pushes on this piece in here. There's a pin right here that you really can't get out. I think this is not meant to be disassembled. And where's the... Yeah, I can't find the... Oh, there it is. The blade goes in thusly. And then this thing here supposedly has spring tension on it that will put this piece here that hooks into one of the notches on the blade. Well, there's a plastic piece in here. There's a piece of it right there. You can see it here. The plastic piece is broken. And there's really no way to get it out because you can't get this pin out. And even if you could get it out, you'd have to remake this piece here. I just don't like this design at all. It was so much simpler on the ones where you could just flip the piece down and it it came out much easier. This is overly complicated if you ask me. So there is really nothing I can do about this. I had hopes that we could repair it, but it ain't gonna happen. So we're gonna have to call it on this one, guys. I hate it, but that's just the way, some days you're the windshield, some days you're the bug. Too bad. It was kind of a neat knife, but anyway, on to the next one. Let's let this thing give it a good bath in Vaporust. Okay, I'm going to let both of these items soak overnight, and we'll check on them tomorrow. After some cleanup after the Vaporust bath, I'm going to use the fiber wheel to clean them up a little bit more. They're starting to look better already. Now for some wet sanding. This pitting is a little bit too deep. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out. I don't want to go far enough to get to try to take that out of there, so I'll just have to live with that. And more wet sanding with finer grits. I think I took it down to about 600 if I remember correctly. This pitting is awfully deep. I think I'm going to have to quit there. Now for a coat of protective wax. Now I'm going to clean up the points a little bit. And here's the Malco divider ready for reassembly. I like it. I think it turned out pretty well. Well, I couldn't help myself. I had to give it a spin on the new motorized turntable. So here's the Malco number 18 divider after some cleanup and polishing. I enjoyed this little project, and I hope you enjoyed the cleanup as well. So I really appreciate you watching, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, thanks for watching.